We all know that Robinhood is one of the most successful financial services companies, offering commission-free trades of stocks and ETFs via smartphone application. This company is a FINRA-registered broker-dealer and it is also a member of the Securities Investor Protection Corporation. Moreover, Robinhood is also registered with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. Now, Robinhood is going public under ticker HOOD. What's up guys, welcome back to Glory Investing Show. In our today's video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know related to Robinhood and its decision to go public. However, before we go any further, make sure you smash that like button and don't forget to hit that bell icon as well so you never miss any updates. And also, if you would like to buy some awesome trading merch and support the channel that way, check out the www.incomatic.shop. There's a ton of different things you can purchase. And you can also use the code ADDICT at the checkout page if you want to receive a discount. Now without further ado, let's get into this. The company is planning to trade under the symbol HOOD, and its IPO is said to be one of the most anticipated of this year. Although the company released an S1 filing in July of this year, Robinhood had already privately filed to go public back in March of this year. According to a report published by TechCrunch on July 1st of this year, Robinhood's public offering documents includes a placeholder of $100 million raise figure, though that will change the closer we get to its debut. It was the year 2014 when this company was launched, and the increasing popularity of Robinhood has forced its competitors to get rid of commissions and to offer applications that make trading easy. According to a report published by Yahoo Finance, the company said it has 17.7 million monthly active users with over 50% first-time investors. The platform is primarily used for trading stocks. However, numerous people also use it for crypto trading. Here, it is important to note that this company has 18 million funded accounts. Back in 2013, Vladimir Tenev and Baiju Bhatt founded Robinhood, and Vladimir is currently the CEO of this company. Robinhood pioneered a business model based on PFOF. Robinhood's filing indicates that 75% of its revenue came from PFOF via market makers. The S1 states filing of Robinhood states, any new or heightened PFOF regulation may result in increased compliance costs and otherwise may materially decrease our transaction-based revenue. The company has reportedly said that it intends to use IPO proceeds to cover the cost of operations. Moreover, Robinhood has also announced that it would offer around 20 to 35% of its IPO shares to retail investors. The company has three classes of shares. These include Class A shares with 1 vote, Class B shares with 10, and Class C shares with none. On June 30th of this year, The Verge reported that the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority has fined Robinhood approximately $70 million to settle charges over issues it identified with the company's stock trading service. According to the report, the authority claims that the financial app company neglected its duty to supervise trades, maintain its own technology, and protect its customers. This fine is by far the largest in the history of FINRA. Moreover, Robinhood has agreed to pay this fine. The Financial Industry Regulatory Authority claims that Robinhood has periodically provided false and misleading information on topics such as whether customers were able to place trades on margin. Moreover, the company has also displayed inaccurate information in its own smartphone application on how much cash was in the accounts of the customers. Although this recent announcement by FINRA does not specifically identify the case, however, reports suggest that it does appear to obliquely reference Alex Kern's death. For those who don't know, Alex committed suicide after discovering a negative $730,000 balance in his Robinhood account from unintentional margin trades. Following Alex's death, Robinhood was sued and the case was eventually settled for an undisclosed amount. The Verge's report also states, FINRA also takes issue with Robinhood's reliance on algorithms to approve customers for options trading and the outages the platform has suffered, locking customers out of their accounts during a time of historic market volatility. FINRA has reportedly imposed a fine of $57 million on Robinhood for those errors in failing to report customer complaints to FINRA. Moreover, the company has fined $12.6 million in restitution to impacted customers. Robinhood said in a statement, "We're glad to put this matter behind us and look forward to continuing to focus on our customers and democratizing finance for all." You might also want to know that SEC has reportedly charged Robinhood with misleading customers about revenue sources and failing to satisfy the duty of best execution. The company agreed to pay $65 million to settle these charges. Interestingly, Robinhood still managed to increase its revenue despite these controversies and the coronavirus pandemic. According to a report published by The Guardian on July 1st of this year, the trading platform has actually grown to be over $80 billion in customer assets. The app that has sent a newly empowered generation of investors to Wall Street saw its revenue soar 309% at the start of the year as the frenzy over so-called meme stocks shook the market. The report also suggests that Robinhood has revealed that revenue surged from $277 million in 2019 to $958 million in 2020. The company's sales totaled $959 million in 2020, which shows a 245% increase from 2019. This information was revealed in a filing with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. Well, the growth of this company during the first quarter of this year is even more impressive. Now, before we go any further, I just want to let you know that we left a link below in case you want to grab your free stock with Robinhood. Coming back to our topic, let me tell you that Robinhood generated $522.2 million in revenue during the first 3 months of this year. In comparison, the company earned a revenue of $127.6 million during the first quarter of 2020. Now, this company was profitable last year. In fact, it generated a net income of nearly $7.4 million in 2020. You might also want to note that TechCrunch's report states, however, the company's most recent period includes an epic $1.49 billion cost related to changes in fair value of convertible notes and warrant liability, leading the company to post an astronomical net loss of $1.44 billion in the first quarter of the year. That compares with a net loss of $107 million for 2019. The company posted $463.8 million in operating expenses during the first quarter of the year. Moreover, this company also closed the first quarter on a more than $2 billion annual run rate. This shows that Robinhood has scaled to mammoth size on the back of rising customer interest in investing in stocks as well as cryptocurrencies. During this quarter, 70% of the company's revenue came from crypto trading, and 34% of Robinhood's crypto revenue during the first quarter of 2021 came from Dogecoin transactions. Yahoo Finance's report also states, the most lucrative revenue stream for the company, however, comes from options. According to the filing, options trading makes up the largest source of revenue, making up $197 million of its $522 million of the first quarter revenue, more than $133 million in trade on stock trades or $87 million on cryptocurrency trades. Robinhood grew from 500,000 users in 2015 to 31 million in 2021. FINRA claims that many of Robinhood's users are in a demographic that is young and new to the market. The median account balance is only $240, while the main account balance is $5,000. Now, are you guys going to jump in this IPO or not? If all active Robinhood users support this IPO, I don't really see how they can fail at all. With such a strong millennial fan base, this stock is having a bright future. I mean, that is just my opinion. Well, that will be all for today's video, and thanks for watching it. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have not already subscribed to Glory Investing Show, subscribe to it and press that bell button so you will be notified each time we upload an interesting video on this channel. And while you're here, click to watch one of these 4 videos that are appearing on your screen. We'll see you there. Take care and stay tuned.